What are you doing? Mary, I love you.
Some of them don't move. I'm afraid to step on them. No. I want some. I want it. I want the puppy.
It'd be funny if one of them went up Sammy's head and took a crap. Why are they following me?
I have the muffin.
It appears you do, Mary.
Do you want a stick? Sticks are yummy. Here's a muffin.
Take a muffin.
Take a muffin. I love you.
Wait, give me one muffin. I want to draw it. I want to draw it in my head. Draw it just to take a marker and draw on it. Like you. I want you.
Don't kill him.
Come on, try it. At the count of 3, jump. 2. Wait, they're getting closer. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, don't jump. Don't jump. Fuck you, bitch. Alright, let's just draw them all.
Guys, what time is it?
Oh shit.
BFF.
Wait, I'm running! I'm running on it! No! Oh my god, that's a good idea.
BFF! No! No, BFF! Don't do it!
Stop screaming.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, it's gonna go.
Gonna go. I'm gonna peck my legs.
They're your only friends, aren't they?
Yeah.
I'm scared.
The bird lady.
Why?
The fresh meadow.
Oh my god, remember in Home Alone, the bird lady?
Oh my
Yes,
god, that
I
was
do.
scary.
Our BFFs appear to leave.
In your spots now.
Don't.
I went
Oh
you.
my god!
I went you.
So mean.
Scatter. Scatter, I'm stuck.
Here.
I'm stuck.
They're all around.
Kill them, kill me.
I don't know how to get out.
Haley, turn around. BFF!
BFFs!
Make them follow Haley.
No! Don't do that! Where did she go? How did she get over here?
I ran. Your mom looks like an animal.
Don't say that.
Animal.
Zebra.
Zebra.
Which was us and all animals with pigeons, zebras,
mom's
squirrels. The loser,
Guys,
my
your
grandpa
mom's
made
an
that.
Animals.
I get broken
What kind
now.
of animal?